beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. And today is not really a tutorial, it's more of an assemble with me. And I created my very first cake shaker top right in Cricut Design Space. I was completing an order, and I thought this would be a great little gift to add to my repeat clients order. So I plan on making more, and I will do an actual step-by-step tutorial, but I wanted to give it a try first and critique myself so I know how to make my next shaker top even better. Here I'm just getting everything assembled, each layer, putting it together, and getting ready to complete the design. This was really fun to make, and I do plan on making another shaker topper and have you walk through the process from start to finish. This was a bowling themed birthday party that I'm making the topper for, and the colors were red, black, and silver. And I didn't have a lot of the embellishments for the shaker. I will be buying more. If you know a great place or a small store that sells the embellishments for the shaker cards and toppers, let me know. I will love to support another small business. And I just layered each element, the age of the child, which is 10, the little bowling ball and pins, and his name. And I just got creative and designed what I thought will make an incredibly cute shaker topper. Now for this part, instead of using foam adhesive 3D foam, I just layered the cardstock. And once I liked the way everything looked, I went ahead and started assembling the topper. I wanted my topper to be really nice and sturdy. So for the background, that back vinyl layer, I cut out 4 pieces of cardstock and adhered them together to make a very nice sturdy topper. I used the paper straws to hide the wooden dowels that I used to secure the shaker topper. And I think for my very first topper, this came out really good. I know what I would do next time, and I would definitely have a video walking you from start to finish. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned a little bit because I have some more videos coming, and you know we cannot wait to see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda. Happy crafting!